tablets find extensive use across various activities, ranging from gaming to creative pursuits. However, not all tablets are tailored for efficient note-taking. Extensive research has allowed us to identify top-notch note-taking tablets, available in diverse sizes and price brackets. In the process of guiding your investment in a note-taking tablet, we have meticulously considered crucial factors, particularly the costs, display features, and stylus capabilities. When it comes to displays, there is a preference for those with a paper-like appearance and texture, providing a more natural feel. Yet, the allure of a vibrant and expansive screen cannot be ignored, especially for tasks such as creating pie charts and illustrators. The stylus plays a pivotal role, and the optimal features include pressure detection for annotations, replaceable nibs, and an ergonomic design ensuring a comfortable grip. With these considerations in mind, we present our top selection of the best note-taking tablets currently available in the market. All product links are provided in the description below. 5. Apple iPad Air 5th Generation. The Apple iPad Air 5th Generation is the ultimate all-round choice, driven by its powerful and reliable features. Powered by the M1 chipset, this tablet delivers a snappy and responsive user experience, ensuring a seamless interaction for users engaged in various activities, from high-end gaming to efficient multitasking. The M1 processor, a desktop-class powerhouse, not only provides future-proof performance but also contributes to an incredible software ecosystem, offering a multitude of tablet-optimized apps. This extensive app library finds its spotlight on the high-resolution display, creating an immersive and visually pleasing environment that is unmatched on Android alternatives. One of the iPad Air's notable strengths lies in its compatibility with stylus-optimized apps, making it a standout choice for avid note-takers. Paired with the Apple Pencil 2, the tablet elevates the note-taking experience, offering a latency of 9 milliseconds, not the lowest but low enough to remain imperceptible when using first-party apps like Apple Notes. The stylus even features a capacitive button for additional functions, and its flat side allows for convenient magnetic attachment to the tablet's top for charging. Despite its being Apple's mid-range iPad lineup, the iPad Air continues to deliver exceptional value for money. The M1 processor ensures top-tier experiences, from gaming to a desktop-style multitasking environment, all supported by years of software updates. However, certain drawbacks warrant consideration. The 60Hz 10.9-inch LCD screen, while decent, is starting to show its age, affecting the fluidity of the interface. Peak brightness levels leave room for improvement, impacting outdoor visibility. The tablet guarantees a full day of usage on a single charge, but the slow charging speeds, approximately 2.5 hours for a full charge, may test users' patience. Additional features include Touch ID for secure payments and a competent 12MP rear-facing camera. Nevertheless, the base model's limited 64GB storage might be a point of contention for users with plans to store a considerable amount of offline media or download a plethora of tablet apps. 4. OnePlus Pad. The OnePlus Pad is a compelling mid-range option, particularly for those who prioritize productivity in a tablet. Featuring a screen with a 7:5 aspect ratio, specifically tailored for multitasking, it effortlessly facilitates the simultaneous opening of two apps. The stylus, with a minimal 2 milliseconds latency, enhances the pen-like note-taking experience. Remaining faithful to the brand's commitment to delivering exceptional performance at a value-driven price, the OnePlus Pad features a bright and sizable 11.61-inch display. Although an OLED panel would have elevated its hardware credential, the LCD screen provides a commendable visual experience, enhanced by a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate that contributes to the tablet's overall fluidity. Powering the OnePlus Pad is the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset, combined with 8GB of RAM or more, allowing for smooth operation even in demanding scenarios, such as playing the latest games. While the absence of a fingerprint scanner is notable, the built-in software-based face recognition adequately ensures secure unlocking under sufficient ambient light. However, certain drawbacks need consideration. The software ecosystem could benefit from further development, and the inclusion of the stylus incurs an additional cost. Furthermore, the OnePlus Pad utilizes an LCD screen, which, while delivering a rich contrast and outdoor visibility, falls short of the visual excellence an OLED panel would have offered. Despite the unconventional 7:5 aspect ratio, which may not be ideal for movie watching, the OnePlus Pad proves to be an excellent choice for productivity enthusiasts. It excels in tasks such as browsing multiple pages simultaneously, multitasking, and handling note-related activities. However, fully maximizing the tablet's capabilities requires an additional investment in the OnePlus Stylus Pen. A notable feature of the OnePlus Pad is its remarkable longevity, thanks to the 9510 mAh battery, making it one of the longest-lasting tablets available. Additionally, the tablet's standout feature is its ultra-fast 67-watt wired charging, enabling users to top up the device in under 2 hours. For added value, the OnePlus Pad can be bundled with a keyboard accessory, enhancing its appeal as a versatile and cost-effective option. 3. Boogie Board Blackboard. The Boogie Board Blackboard distinguishes itself through simplicity and practicality, lacking the high-end specifications or versatility found in full-fledged tablets. Its value lies in focused functionality, making it an ideal choice for individuals prioritizing note-taking without the extra features often accompanying other tablets in this list. It boasts a sleek and highly portable build, making it a convenient tool for on-the-go use. Noteworthy is its minimal need for frequent charging, providing users with a reliable note-taking companion. However, certain limitations should be considered, such as its restriction to indoor use and occasional lag in the erase feature. This no-nonsense tool offers a streamlined note-taking experience, emphasizing a purpose-built design that eliminates unnecessary distractions. Despite its simplicity, the Boogie Board Blackboard proves to be a sensible and affordable choice for those seeking a device solely dedicated to note-taking. For individuals in need of a convenient, tablet-sized device for quick note jotting or document markup, there's no need for a significant investment in a comprehensive tablet. Purpose-built note-taking tablets, exemplified by the Boogie Board Blackboard, prioritize note-taking capabilities over other features. This tablet features an 8.5 inches x 11 inches semi-transparent writing surface and a digital pen, replicating the handwritten note-taking experience on a conventional sheet of paper. Beyond its basic functionality, the Boogie Board Blackboard offers the advantage of creating digital copies of notes, facilitating easy sharing through its dedicated app. Its reusability not only saves money but also contributes to reducing paper waste. With an affordable price tag and a strong focus on efficient note-taking, the Boogie Board Blackboard emerges as an excellent choice for students, professionals, and anyone in need of a straightforward and effective means of note-taking. 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 seamlessly integrates class-leading performance with some of the most advanced note-taking software features available on an Android tablet. Inclusive of an S Pen with a mere 2.8 milliseconds of latency, it proves to be an ideal tool for swift note-taking. While its exceptional AMOLED display further enhances its appeal, making it not only a top-tier choice for note-taking but also for immersive multimedia consumption. On the positive side, it offers flagship-grade performance without breaking the bank, and the included stylus pairs seamlessly with stylus-optimized software. The tablet's IP68 rating adds an extra layer of versatility, allowing for note-taking even in beachside environments. However, there are notable drawbacks, including a somewhat dated design and a higher price tag compared to some alternatives. Despite its somewhat dated design, Samsung has enhanced the tablet with the more efficient Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, making it exceptionally suited for multitasking. User-friendly features include a microSD card slot for storage expansion, complementing the 128GB storage available on the base unit. Its functionality extends to navigating the interface through gestures. Samsung has also made thoughtful enhancements to apps like the Gallery, where the S Pen proves invaluable for annotation and more convenient editing. After use, the stylus magnetically attaches to the tablet for easy stowing. The IP68 rating enhances the tablet's appeal, particularly for those who enjoy beachside doodling. Powering the tablet throughout the day is a substantial 8400 mAh battery, supporting reasonably quick charging with 45 watts at charging support. While the tablet comes with a steep price tag, the included S Pen and robust performance ensure it stands as a reliable companion for years to come. One. Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen 2. The Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen 2 sets itself apart with its remarkable combination of a stellar OLED display and proficient stylus input through the included Precision Pen 3. Unlike some competitors, this tablet features one of the best screens available on a tablet, elevating the note-taking experience with the Precision Pen 3 and its precise capabilities. For avid note-takers, the oversized display is a standout feature, sporting an impressive 11.2 inches OLED HDR10+ panel operating at 120 Hz. It offers an immersive experience for content consumption and gaming, making it easy to jot down notes in various apps using the included Precision Pen 3. This stylus, boasting a matte finish, replaceable nibs, and 4096 pressure sensitivity points, is an excellent tool for note-taking. However, it's essential to note that the pen may suffer from noticeable jitter when writing at an angle, impacting the sketching experience, though its magnetic connection to the back of the tablet ensures it's always within reach. The tablet prioritizes essential features over performance, with a MediaTek Companion 13OT chipset, 4GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage, which is expandable via a microSD card. It's better suited for lightweight tasks such as internet browsing, social media engagement, streaming, and note-taking, rather than demanding applications or gaming. Despite these limitations, the Lenovo Tab P11 Pro Gen 2 maintains its appeal by offering the option of a bundle, including the Precision Pen 3 and a keyboard dock, which further enhances its overall value proposition. However, it's worth noting that despite its value-priced positioning, the tablet does exhibit a somewhat utilitarian design and has limitations such as a mid-range processor and limited RAM, which may pose challenges during heavy multitasking. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.